Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are going to discuss the CL demo output, which has the display method. Very useful for the ABAPers if they want to have the listing of the internal table. So its orderly style is as you have seen in our previous videos. You have to select or join or whatever table you want. For example, you want to select a carriage select variable like say this one. Yeah, you do the select and it was just select a star from the scale, right? And then the next thing you do once your select is complete, you are going to uh, target it into an internal table. Uh, so that table can be uh, uh, declared right within the select command. There's no need to separately declare it. Straight away, whatever the fields you have, so they are going to be used as a structure, and the internal table is declared as well as populated with the selected records, right? So all you need to do is the next thing you do is you you use the CL demo report, CL demo command, uh, that is with the display method. And in the display method, you are supposed to enter the internal table which you want to generate the listing of the contents contained in that table. Okay, so very easy and very simple. So let's try this in the module. And in the module, we select the report in which you have seen in our previous videos that in which we use the Mara table and mat list and mat type and material group were listed, right? So let's execute them. And it is now going to take you to the SAP. In the SAP, it is now taking you to where? To the SE38. And in the SE38, you are it is going to execute it. It is going to use this okay, and then you execute it, and you will get all these material, right? So let's use the output demo method, uh, CL CL demo output method. So all we need to do is just put this command into it, right? So let's go to the change mode. We are going to change the source code and of this program, and here we are going to inject this command, right? So what it would do is that it is going to use this CL demo as well as the ordinary write statement, which is actually concatenating the material group with the material type, right? And that's all. It is done. Now, all you need to do is you just make a checking. Yes, it has accepted the change which we have made, and it is ready to execute. So it will do the two things. The new way of listing the internal table. Also, it will carry on the old write statement, right? So let's execute it. First of all, we have to activate it. It is activated, and we have to click OK here so that it gets activated, right? Now we will execute it. So this time it is going to show you, first of all, the output of this CL demo display method, right? And it is going to write for you, list for you. This is the output method, yeah? So one liner, and it is doing exactly the same thing which we did in the old fashion of in which through the write statement, right? The write statement is still there, so it is still working. So why to keep two things? Let's get rid of the whole thing by using control Latin sign. So that would comment that out, and that further simplify our code, right? So when our purpose is solved by single statement, we do not need these extra statements, and we say thank you, and we will comment the maps. Okay, so this is so let's save it and check it and activate it. It is activated now, right? As you can see, yeah, you have, uh, sorry, yeah, and uh, next time when you run this program, it is going to run with the method which we have introduced you, and that is actually uh, output CL demo output method. So CL demo output method is actually it is if we define it, so it creates this simple output of data and any program. So without the need of classical script. This is how we put it. And we again thank the custom code for their presentation that helped us, that inspired us to share all these to our viewers. Thank you all for the ABAP is enhanced, and now it is capable of automatically picking all the variants for a said report, means for any report which is specified, and you have different variants, the variants will come automatically in the drop down in here, right? Like this, right? Okay, so just make sure that you have the SAP running, and what we do is let's select the latest variant. For example, we have used this, and we execute it, right? Once we execute it, it takes you to the desired report. It is a joining example how to join different tables and get the desired output, right? So here we will try to uh, make a new variant and see how automatically our tool gets it into our dropdown. Okay, so let's remove this storage location, and we execute it so that we have all the local storage location, right? Okay, so let's figure out and say 101B, for example. 101B is the storage location for which we would like to make a variant 101B, for example, right? So let's execute it and see. Yeah, we have all these storage. Okay, so we save this variant in our system by going to the save as variant. And here we will change this 101B, 101B, and this will be material for this location 101B. Okay, this is one for you have saved it, and now you have a new variant. Now, how your ABAP tool in Excel will adjust to it and will display it so that you don't have to tell Excel that you have a new variant, right? So, let's click OK here. And so by clicking this processing complete means it will take you to the SAP Easy Access, right? Opening menu. And to pick all the new variants if there are, so we will delete an entry and we will straight away execute it. Okay. Once we execute it here, okay, so an OK box will come. We will click OK, and it is now updating your variant, and you will see 101B automatically become a part of your VB tool for ABAP, which is capable of picking all the variants of the report with which you can just execute, right? So this is the enhancement we have made. So I wanted to share it with you and see uh, the 101B is showing, right? So any changes you do, Excel automatically picks it into the drop-down and lists down the variants for the desired report available, right? So this is the way how you create a new variant and how your system, uh, your tool, VBA tool, gets adjusted to that, and it makes the entry in the dropdown automatically sensing that you have a new variant. Okay, thank you very much for watching.